How to use the Burn feature to Offramp from PulseChain. First, go to the Mint and Burn tab on the Coast website. Make sure your wallet is connected. Select the Burn tab. You'll see that you can choose to Offramp using CST, as well as USDC, USDT, and DAI. For this demonstration, let's focus on burning CST. Then, enter the amount of CST that you would like to burn. If you have not previously approved the Coast app to burn your CST, the first of the two buttons in the Burn summary will be blue and you will be prompted to approve. The text at the bottom of the Burn summary will also read Connect to PulseChain mainnet to mint a Burn CST. Select Approve. You will be reminded again that you can also Offramp using bridged stablecoins from Ethereum, and this option has lower fees. If you have previously approved the app to burn your CST, the first of the two buttons in the Burn summary will be grey and red wallet approved. If this is the case, you can continue to burn using the second button. This button will burn the amount you entered on the left of the screen. If you want to burn more or less, change this number, then approve burn in your wallet. You will then see a sending CST pop-up. During this step, your wallet is sending CST to the contract address. Once the CST send is complete, USD is being transferred from the CST collateral account to your personal account. This process can take a few minutes as information is sent from the blockchain to the banking system. Your funds are now available. In some cases you may need to refresh your browser to see your updated USD balance. If you ever have a question while using the Coast website, please don't hesitate to reach out to our world-class customer service team. To inquire with the team, go to the text icon at the bottom right of the screen. A message box will appear, then you can directly message our team. We will promptly respond and help you through any questions you may have.